So, so previously in the miscellaneous exercise of chapter 4, we have seen the 13th till the 13th question and 14th question I'm going to explain to you. See here. So what is given to you? 1, 2, 3. This is a question given to you. 1 plus p, 3 plus 2p, and 6 plus 3p. 1 plus p plus q, 1 plus p plus q, 4 plus 3p plus 2q, and 10 plus 6p plus 3q. This is equals to 1 we need to prove. This is equals to 1 we need to prove. So to prove it as a 1, how do you prove it as a 1? So what to do? Already we have discussed. We need to make these two as zeros. To make these two as zeros, R2 tends to R2 minus R1. 2R1. R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1. And R3 tends to R3 minus 3R1. So whenever you do this becomes 1. We are not changing the first row. 1 plus P, 1 plus P plus Q. And here it becomes 0. This minus 2 into this one. This minus 2 into this one. If you get confused, you cannot write directly, means you can calculate here 3 plus 2p minus 2 into 1 plus p. This minus 2 into this one. So what do you get here? 3 plus 2p minus 2 minus 2p. So 2p will get cancelled. 3 minus 2, 1. So we are going to get it as a 1. Next, if you multiply this by the 2 and subtract from this. So can I write it directly? Multiplying by the 2 means 4 minus 2, 2 आएगा. 3p minus 2p plus p आएगा. 2q minus 2q, 0 आ जाएगा. We are multiplying this one first row by the 3 and subtracting here. So if you multiply here 6 minus 3, 3 you are going to get. 3p minus 3p, 0 will get. 10 minus 3, 7 we will get. 6p minus 3p, 3p we are going to get. 3q minus 3q, 0 will get. This we are getting. Now you expand it by using the first column. First column use करके expand. Expanding along C1. So what do you get here? 1 into these two we have to multiply. 7 plus 3p minus 3 into 2 plus p. We'll get 7 plus 3p minus 6 minus 3p. So which is equals to 7 minus 6 is equals to 1. 3p will get cancelled. The determinant value is equals to 1 dr. Okay? Did you understand?
Yes, yes, sir.
Next. Next question is, next question also you may feel little bit difficult here. Okay? But it is looks like a difficult problem, but it's not a difficult. Asking to you to prove this is important question also. Sine alpha, sine beta, sine gamma, cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, cos alpha plus gamma, cos beta plus gamma, cos gamma plus, so not so gamma, delta है वो, alpha plus delta, beta plus delta, gamma plus delta. The symbols, you know, this is alpha, this is beta, this is gamma, this is delta. What are these letters called?
The Greek letters.
Huh? Greek letters. So these are the Greek letters. Yes. So what to do in this situation? This determinant value is equals to 0, we need to prove. So cos a plus b expansion, cos x plus y expansion, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, is it visible to you? The body is visible.
Not visible.
Hello.
But
Hello. Huh? Now the board is visible or not? Is there any problem? Okay.
Sir, it is blurry.
So cos x plus y, it is blurring. Okay. Cos x plus y expansion is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos alpha plus delta expansion, whenever you see that, cos alpha plus delta expansion, whenever you see, what do you get? Cos alpha cos delta minus sin alpha sin delta. So cos ये expansion देख लिया तो cos alpha cos delta minus sin alpha sin delta we are going to unexpand. So here we need, here sin alpha is there, sin delta if you are having here, so first column multiply by sin delta, second column multiply by cos delta. So when you are multiplying, you cannot multiply directly, you have to divide it. So you have to write here multiply and divide C1 and C2 by sin delta and cos delta respectively. Why? Because we are going to get the same term. So when we are multiplying, you are dividing with what we are multiplying? Sin delta. So sin delta से divide करना and cos delta से divide करना. So now here we are going to get sin alpha, sin delta, sin beta, sin delta, sin gamma, sin delta, cos alpha, cos delta, cos beta, cos delta, cos gamma, cos delta. Expand that. Cos alpha, cos beta minus sin alpha, sin beta, delta, sin delta. Next, cos beta, cos delta minus sin beta, sin delta. Next, cos gamma, cos delta minus sin gamma, sin delta. Now, can you make any two rows identical? C1 tends to C1 minus C2 करो. C1 tends to C1 minus C2 करो. Then C3 and C1 identical हो जाएगा. Therefore, the determinant value equal है. Otherwise, you can C1 tends to C1 plus C3 करो, ये दोनों ऐड करो. What do you get? Cos alpha cos. So second and third column, first and third second column will be whatever you do the operation, whatever you do the transformation, you are going to get the final answer same. So what I am doing here to write lesser, but I am going to C1 tends to C1 plus C3 करो. Otherwise C3 को change करो, C3 tends to C3 plus C1. थोड़ा कम लिखना पड़ता है. C3 tends to C3 plus C1 करना. So what I will get here? 1 by sin gamma cos gamma. Here we will get sin alpha sin gamma. Cos sin beta sin gamma. Sin delta sin gamma. Cos alpha cos gamma. Cos beta cos gamma. Cos delta cos gamma. Now if you add this and this sin alpha sin gamma will get cancelled. We are going to get cos alpha cos gamma, cos beta cos gamma, cos del gamma cos delta. Sorry, delta gamma. Now therefore C2 and C3 are identical. If they are identical, the determinant value will be equals to 0. 0 into something will be 0. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The problem is very simple, but it is a little bit lengthy. That's all. Okay? It's not a difficult problem, but thoda idea hona hai what to be multiplied. And here most of the students will get confused this part, multiply and dividing. By observation and the given determinant go observe karna. By observing the given determinant, only we can do it. Next, 16th question in this. So the question is given to you something different. 2 by x plus 3 by y plus 10 by z is equals to 4. 4 by x, okay, here I am writing 4 by x minus 6 by y plus 5 by z is equals to 1. 6 by x plus 9 by y minus 20 by z is equals to 2. So this solve the system of the equations is given to you. So in these situations, what to do here? What to do in this situation? Let 1 by x is equals to p, 1 by y is equals to q, 1 by z is equals to r. Something, any other variable you consider. So these equations will be transformed to linear equations. So these equations we are going to do 2 into 2p plus 3q plus 10r is equals to 4. Next, 4p minus 6q plus 5r is equals to 1. 6p plus 9q minus 20r is equals to 2. Writing these equations in the matrix form. So writing, now finding solution. Instead of the xyz, pqr aa gaya. That values you need to find out. That's all. After finding that, replacing that p value here, q value here, r value here, you are going to get xyz value. Writing the above equations in matrix form. In matrix form. So what do you get here? If you write these equations in the matrix form, 2, 3, 10, 4 minus 6, 5, 6, 9 minus 20 into PQR is equals to 4, 1, 2. Let this as A. Let A is equals to 2, 3, 10, 4 minus 6, 5, 6, 9 minus 20. Some variable X also you can consider. PQR given means P consider करने का जरूरत नहीं and B consider करो इसको 4, 1, 2. So therefore AX is equals to B. We need X. X is equals to A inverse B. So A inverse, how do you find out? A inverse find out करने के लिए you need determinant of A. Determinant of A find out करो. A का determinant. Using in any way you can find it. Expanding along the first row. 2 into 6 to 2. 120 minus 45. 120 minus 45. Minus 3 into minus 60 minus 30. Minus 60 minus 30. Okay, plus 10 into 34, 9 4 is 36, plus 6 is 36. So which is equals to 2 into 75, minus 3 into minus 90, plus 10 into 72, 150 plus 270 plus 720. सही है ना मैट्रिक्स? ट्वेंटी 90. Something round number we are not getting. Doubt आ रहा है एक बार चेक करते हैं. 2 into 120 minus 45 minus 3 into 60. That's what it is. And this minus 80. Sorry. 20, 2 4 the 8. 80 आएगा. 6 5 the 30. So minus 110 आएगा. So here we are going to get plus 330. 30 plus 20, 50. Yes. Now we are going to get around 1200. We will get it. Like this, you find out the cofactors. A11 find out. A11 already along first row expand कर लिया. A11 is 75. A12 minus तो आएगा. A13, A21. Otherwise, you can write it directly. Adjoint matrix. Why do we go for the writing all A11? Adjoint of A is equals to every element should be replaced with its minus, 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 here minus. So here it is 75. Here ये minus इधर है तो inside minus 110 है. So minus 110 will become the plus 110. And here it is 72. And इसका कोफैक्टर थोड़ा ध्यान से करना है. Minus 60 minus 90 minus 150. So plus 150 we are going to get it. This row to minus 40 minus 60 minus 100. So you get minus 100. Next this row and this column. 18 minus 18. We are going to get it 0. So 0. Next for this 15 minus 60 plus 60. 15 plus 60, 75. For this 10 minus 40 minus 30 minus plus 30. Next, minus 12, minus 12, minus 24. You are going to get minus 24. इसका transpose find out करो, A inverse find out करो, P से multiply. I think you can do it. It's not a very difficult task to you to do. Can you proceed it? Can you complete this? Give the response.
Yes, sir.
Next, 17th question, see here. So here the question is given ABC are in AP. How many of you do remember about the AP? What is meant by AP? Not Arunachal Pradesh, not Andhra Pradesh. ABC are in AP means? Can you tell? The question is given to you. A comma B comma C are in arithmetic progression and asking you to find out here x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 2a, x plus 3, here x plus 4, here x plus 4, here x plus 5, x plus 2b, x plus 2c. This determinant value is asking you to find out. Okay, so how do you find out the determinant value? When arithmetic ABC are in arithmetic progression, B can be replaced with AC. A and C implies 2B is equals to A plus C. 2B का प्लेस में A plus C लिख सकते हैं. ABC are in arithmetic progression means B is called arithmetic mean. B equal to A plus C by 2. B is equal to C by 2. So 2B is equal to A plus C will get. So here in the place of that, you can replace x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 5, x plus 2a, x plus 2b, x plus 2c. Okay. Did you understand here what I did? Just I have replaced the just replace करना है, replace नहीं किया है. 2b का प्लेस में a plus c लिखो. नेक्स्ट एक काम करो, ये दोनों को 1 करने के लिए ट्राई 1 कर सकते हैं. यस, दिस माइनस दिस करो. Any way you can do. It's not mandatory that you need to do only in this way. This minus this karo. So 3 minus 2, ये x will get cancelled. So R2 tends to R2 minus R1. R3 tends to R3 minus ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. R1 tends to R1 minus R2. अभी R2 चेंज हो रहे हैं ना with this. So better we do like this. Let us do one thing. If you get minus also, R1 tends to R1 minus R2 minus 1 आ जाएगा. R2 tends to R2 minus R3. This minus this. Let others values will be as it is. So what you get here? ये minus ये इधर minus 1 आ जाएगा. This minus this इधर में minus 1 आ जाएगा. This minus this x will get cancelled. 2a minus ये आएगा, ये minus c आ जाएगा. R2 tends to this minus this. Here also minus 1. This minus this. Here also will get minus 1. Okay. And this minus this. What do you get here? A ये आएगा. Yes, A minus C आ जाएगा. A plus C minus C. इधर भी A minus C आ जाएगा. हो गया प्रॉब्लम. 2 rows are identical. X plus 4, X plus 5, X plus 2C. Since R1 and R2 are identical. See, simple calculation whenever you are doing, you are going to do it. Since R1 and R2 are identical, you can write therefore the determinant value is equals to 0. Isn't it? So last question here, it is 18th question is given to you. No, 19th also. 18th question is given to you here. Choose the correct answer. X0, 0, 0, Y0, 0, 0, Z. If X, Y, Z are non-zero variables, find the inverse of the matrix. So, you see, you can find out. It is looking like a little bit different problem. If they are non-zero, X, Y, Z are non-zero, and asking you to find out the inverse of that. And this can be used to you in your competitive exams, in final exams. Competitive exam में थोड़ा सा इसको use कर सकते हैं. You can remember this one. If any matrix is given to you, A, let us consider here x0 0 0 y 0 0 0 z. इसका inverse find out करने के लिए question. What is its inverse is the question. So first determinant of A. What is determinant of A? X, Y, Z, which is not equal to 0. And adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equals to transpose of the matrix obtained by replacing the elements with its cofactor. इसका कोफैक्टर इधर माइनस 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 माइनस. इसका कोफैक्टर बोले तो दिस yz. इसका कोफैक्टर बोले तो किधर भी here normally whenever you see that remaining all the elements cofactors we are going to get it as a 0 only, because other elements 0 here 0 आ जाएगा, इधर भी 0 आ जाएगा, इधर भी 0 आ जाएगा, but here we are going to get this row xz आ जाएगा, xz. Here भी 0 आ जाएगा, इधर भी 0 आ जाएगा, इधर भी 0 आ जाएगा, and here we are going to get x. इसका ट्रांसपोज करना yz 0 0 0 xz 0 0 0 xy. So A inverse is equals to what is it? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So 1 by xyz into yz 0 0 0 xz 0 0 0 xy. So when you divide by xyz, what you are going to get this one? 1 by x 0 0 0 1 by y 0 0 0 1 by z. 1 by x is nothing but here you can write that 1 by x as a x inverse. Either x inverse is nothing but reciprocal. X का reciprocal. X reciprocal 0 0 0, y reciprocal 0 0 0, z reciprocal. This is the A matrix A means. That means you can from directly you can remember here if any matrix is given diagonal matrix. Suppose I have given you 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 3. So what is its inverse means directly you can remember from this question 1 0 0 0 1 by 2 0 0 0 1 by 3 like this. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
And last problem is given to you. Here the question is 19th one. A is equals to 1 sin theta 1 minus sin theta 1 sin theta minus 1 minus sin theta 1. And the question is 0 theta is lies between 0 to 2 pi. and determinant of A, determinant of A, determinant of A. So det A value is asking you to find out here. So you need to recall the concept of here. Recall the concept of trigonometric equations, I think so. Let us see here whether what do we get here. Det A is equals to determinant of A is equals to what do we get? Simplify along the any row here. 1 into 1 plus sine square theta. 1 plus sine square theta. Minus sine theta into this row and this column. Minus sine theta plus sine theta. ये तो 0 हो जाएगा. Next plus 1 into साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 1 हो जाए तो ये तो 0 है 1 प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा 1 प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा 2 times 1 plus sin square theta, so 2 into 1 plus sin square theta. This is determinant and asked you to find out the range of the determinant of here. So here given 0 lies between 0 to 2 pi, then what is sin theta lies between these two whenever you are taking into consider in the first quadrant and second quadrant. First and second quadrant में theta है. So when the value is lies between 0, whatever theta we are taking, 0 less than or equals to sin theta is less than equals to 1, less than or equals to 1 हो सकता है, 0 भी हो सकता है, 0 to 2 pi का बीच में, isn't it? The range of the sin theta is 0 to 1. Now here sin theta 0 to 1. In the inverse trigonometric functions and trigonometric equations also you solve this type of equation. Finding the range of the this one. So 1 plus sin square theta is there. 1 should be added here. 1 less than or equals to 1 plus sin square theta is less than or equals to 2. Next 2 should be multiplied. 2 less than or equals to 2 into 1 plus sin square theta should be less than or equals to 4. 2 multiplied. So this the determinant of A lies between 0 and lies between 2 and 4. It lies between 2 and 4. So det A is belongs to determinant of A is belongs to the closed interval 2 to 4. So this is the final answer. So with this we are completed the chapter 4. You can leave. Malika and Likhit. Did you understand or do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
This then you can leave.